Three major banks just flipped their payment systems to a new standard, and XR holders are watching their screens closer than ever. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what this means for Ripple's token and why the next 30 days could decide where XR goes for the rest of 2025. Right now, XR is sitting at a crossroads. The token just broke past a key resistance level that held it down for months, and analysts are split. Some say we're looking at a run to $3. Others think a pullback is coming first. But here's what almost nobody is talking about. And I'll get to it in just a moment. Let me give you the context you actually need. XR isn't just another cryptocurrency. It's built for one specific job: moving money between banks faster and cheaper than the system we use today. Indeed, that system? It's called WIFT. You probably never heard of it, but every time money crosses borders, whether it's your paycheck from overseas or a business paying a supplier in another country, WIFT handles it. The problem is WIFT is slow. It takes days. It's expensive. ND banks are tired of it. That's where I020022 comes in. Think of it as a new language for banks. Universal standard that lets financial institutions talk to each other instantly with way more detail than before. ND, here's the kicker. XR was designed from day one to work with this standard. When banks adopt I020022, they can plug XR right in and start settling payments in seconds instead of days. Now here's that detail I promised. Three banks quietly upgraded their infrastructure this month to be I020022 compliant. They didn't announce it with fireworks. No press releases, but blockchain analysts caught it. Indeed, the timing? It lines up perfectly with XR's recent price movement. Coincidence? Maybe. But smart money doesn't think so. Let's talk about what this means for everyday people. Right now, if you send money internationally, you lose a chunk to fees. You wait days for it to arrive. Indeed, if something goes wrong, good luck tracking it down. I020022 tokens like XR change that. Instant settlement, lower fees, full transparency. This isn't just about traders making profits. It's about fixing a broken system that costs regular people billions every year. What does XR go from here? Technically, the chart looks strong. We broke resistance at $1.90. The next major level to watch is $2.40. That's where we hit heavy selling pressure back in 2021. If XR can push through that, the path to $3 opens up fast. But here's the tension. We're also seeing profit taking from long-term holders. Volume is high, which is good, but if it drops off sharply, we could see a retest of support around $1.70. The fundamentals tell a different story. Ripple just one major legal clarity in their case with the SEC. Institutional interest is ramping up. Indeed, every month more banks are testing or adopting I020022 infrastructure. That's the kind of slow-building pressure that doesn't show up on a chart until it explodes. Here's what to watch in the next 30 days. First, XR needs to hold above $1.90. If it does, that's confirmation the bulls are in control. Second, watch for announcements from Ripple about new bank partnerships. They've been quiet lately, which usually means something big is coming. Third, keep an eye on Bitcoin. If BTC rallies hard, XR tends to follow with even bigger percentage moves. If you're thinking about getting into XR or any of these I020022 tokens, you can start trading on platforms like BitUnix. There's a link in the description. Just remember to start small and learn the platform before going heavy. Bottom line, XR is at a decision point. The tech is solid. The use case is real. Indeed, the infrastructure shift to I020022 is happening whether people are paying attention or not. But price doesn't move in straight lines. We could see a pullback before the next leg up, or we could blast through resistance and never look back. That's crypto. This is educational content only, not financial advice. Ways to your own research before investing. Markets are unpredictable, and you should never risk more than you can afford to lose. Follow Stack Daily 60 for daily crypto and money tips.